Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a very special video. I am unboxing my wildest Chanel jewelry purchase ever. I have a couple of Chanel costume jewelry pieces in my collection. I don't know if I've ever actually unboxed any of them here on YouTube, but this one was definitely YouTube and unboxing worthy because they're special. If you're new to my channel, the way that I do these videos is that I talk about the pieces or collection, what drew me to them, my shopping experience, etc. And then I'll do the unboxing and then I'll come back with my review or final thoughts. So let's get started. I first saw these pieces online. I watched the runway show and immediately noticed these pieces because they were incredible. They were edgy, punk, rock and rollish. They were just so cool, and I immediately knew that these pieces would be something that I would love to have in my collection years down the line when my daughters or even granddaughters are looking through my jewelry. I feel like if I take care of them well enough throughout the years, that they will see these and just be amazed that these are Chanel pieces. I just think that they're very cool. We all know that fashion is very cyclical and things from different eras come back. We're seeing the Y2K, we see the 90s come back all the time. So when I saw these pieces, I'm like, yeah, I need these. These are like collectible pieces. So I went hunting for these. I am missing one item. I really wanted to get that item. It was going to be like the piece. Unfortunately, I got really busy and there was just no way that I can continue the hunt. I was very close, but I just had to drop it. I couldn't finish, but that's okay. I managed to get my hands on these and these are incredible. All right, so enough of all my chat. Let's go to the unboxing. So the first piece I'm going to show you is one of the very first pieces that I had on my shopping list, if not the very first piece. It is an ear cuff. Now, some of my most watched content it revolves around piercings. I've been pierced by Brian Keith Thompson twice now, and I've vlogged those experiences. Brian Keith Thompson is one of the most famous piercers in the world. He's pierced Beyonce, Jennifer Lawrence, Scarlett Johansson, and lots of other celebrities. And he's just an incredible piercing artist. He doesn't like to call himself an artist, but he's incredible. He's so talented. So a lot of my viewers have found me through those piercing videos. So I am a big piercing / earring person. So when I saw this cuff, I knew I had to have it. And it's just perfect because I have been looking for a cuff. And I think I bought a little cheap cuff set from Amazon that didn't fit quite right. So rather than waste my money on cheap jewelry pieces that I'm just gonna not wear or throw out or, lose, I might as well invest on something that is just really special, and this was it. So here is the cuff. Once again, beautiful interlocking CCs, and then on one end we have 2 pearls, and then it just kind of wraps around. I love this. So you can wear it on either ear. You can wear this on your left and have the pearls show, or you can wear it on your right and have the pearls toward the back. Either is fine. It just depends on your style and what you have already on your ears. I would probably wear this on my right just because I have a lot going on my left ear. So I would wear it like this, which means that the pearls are in the back, which I'm totally fine with. Or you can turn it around and the pearls would be in the front, but the CCs would kind of be over here. But again, both work fine. They're still eye-catching. You're still gonna get asked, where'd you get that, or can I see? But I'm absolutely in love with it. I just think it looks so cool, and I'm so happy to have it in my collection. And they do fit quite well. I would constantly check it just to make sure it doesn't fall off, but it's really neat. Really, really neat. I love the look of this. The next item I'm going to show you is a set. It's a pair, and you're going to see why I had to have it. This is absolutely incredible. Look at that. These are just so unique pieces. I love that they're different, that one earring is one thing and the other earring looks totally different. And I love these styles. So of course, if I could get my hands on it, I would, and I did. So this earring right here is 2 pieces. We have the interlocking CCs. It's a stud, and then we have the back piece. And what I love is that it has 2 holes in the back, so you can have it higher or lower depending on your ear shape, your earlobe. And then this beautifully hugs the bottom of your earlobe. Now this one I would say is made to be worn on the right side because of the other earring. But you can wear it on either side. You can actually wear this one on either side and it's fine, but because the other earring is meant to be worn on the left side, because these are different, you can mix and match these. You don't have to wear them together. But that's why I love these, because you're basically getting like major bang for your buck, because you can wear them together or you can wear them separately to create an even more unique look. So I love that. All right, here is the second piece, and it's again just such a cool piece. So as I mentioned, this one can be worn on any side, but this one is meant to be worn on your left earlobe, but you can definitely make it work for your right, because it's not going to work for me on my left, but I'll show you what I did to make it work on my right. So here we have the crystal interlocking CC stud, and then it has a chain attached to it, and that chain attaches to this cuff right here, which is a simple design but very pretty, and it's just like 3 golden little balls that are attached together, and then we have smaller ones that are attached to it. And so this cuffs up here, and then you can put your stud through on your lobe. The way that I wear it on my right ear is, you could obviously just turn it around and clip it here. You're not going to see the details because this will be on the back, but you could also just flip it upside down, and you can even tuck the chain in to the cuff so it just appears like it's coming from the bottom, and then I just clip it this way. And there you go. Now, I probably would not wear anything on my second piercing when I have this on, because you definitely want these pieces to be the star of the show. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Now, again, you can tuck this chain in the back, but I don't mind it just hanging out here in the front. And there you go. I think these pieces are so cool. I'm so excited to have. Now I'm going to put on the other earring. And there you go. Now, if I'm wearing these, I probably would not have anything on my second earlobe piercing just because I wouldn't want that to take any attention away from these, but there you go. And again, because this climber piece right here has 2 holes, you can adjust it so that it falls closer to the CCs or lower. That is at its closest setting, and I think my earlobe can have a little more room. Yeah, so you see it's a little too close to the CCs, so I'm going to remove it and then put the stud through the top hole instead. And there you go. That's what it looks like. All right, so those were the earrings. Even though there are 2 purchases, it's kind of like I purchased 3 earrings, so I love that. Now let me show you my last piece. This was one of the very first things, this and the cuff were the first things that I saw from the collection that I was just like, I have to have that. That is an actual collectible. When people say I added it to my collection, this to me feels like an actual collectible. Like years down the line, people are gonna be like, oh my God, they made these? So yeah, so here they are. Are you ready? Here they are. These, believe it or not, are lip rings. I know, it's a little out there. Again, this collection was very edgy and different and out there, but I loved it. So it comes with 2 lip rings. Again, I feel like I'm getting a 2-for-1 here. This set is 2 lip rings. One, it's just a flat gold toned lip ring, and then the other one comes with crystals. So I'll show you the crystals version because why not? We're here. If I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you. Actually, I'll put both of them on so you can see. So the way that you can tell which way is up or down is that the longer version is the one that's going to go towards your teeth, and then the shorter version is the one that stays outside. So here we go. This is the flat gold version. I know it's a little out there, but I am so into it. Yes, you kind of want to adjust your lips while you're talking, but it's not that intrusive. It's not that crazy, but yeah, I love it. These are so cool. Like, this is so cool. Now, again, I understand it may not be your thing. It may look weird to you, or I get it, but I just felt like it's so unique and the price point was great. And I just feel like I'm happy that I have this in my collection. All right, so this is the flat gold one. Now let's show you the crystal version. Yeah, I feel like a badass. I'm not gonna lie. This is just cool. Again, really cool, really eye-catching. I'm imagining a time when I don't have to walk around in face masks and go to a party and walk in looking like this. And yeah, I'm so excited to wear this out. For now, I'm gonna wear it indoors and enjoy it all to myself. Maybe share a little on Instagram or a future video, but I'm just, yeah, I know that I know it's out there even for me, but I felt like I just had to have it. It's just such unique pieces from this classic, luxury brand that I I'm so happy that I was able to add it to my collection. But before I end this video, I want to tell you about the one piece that got away. I started my hunt and I felt like I was very close, and then again I just got very busy. It's the end of the year and I just couldn't make it. I personally was very busy. Not only just the holidays were coming up, but I personally just had so much on my plate that I just could not continue to go to boutiques to look for these pieces. And that was the CC choker. Oh, when I saw that piece, I really wanted it. And I got close, but unfortunately, I guess it's just not for me. I just feel like these pieces are pieces, especially that gold choker. I feel like that's going to be something that I'm going to be able to use for many, many years, because again, fashion is cyclical. And I know that even when it's not in, a few years later down the line, I'm going to be able to put it back on and enjoy it. So, and even if it's not trendy, whatever, it's so different. I could wear it whenever and I know that I would be happy. But anyway, I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it go. Whoever got your hands on it, congratulations. Congratulations. All right. Those were all of the pieces. These were all of the pieces that I got from this latest collection. I am so happy with my purchase. Let me know your thoughts. I'm ready for them. Bring it on. Let me know your thoughts. Were there any pieces that you liked? Any pieces you found interesting? Did you purchase anything from this collection? Let me know if you got your hands on that choker. I'm so jealous. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and share it if you enjoyed it, if you're a big Chanel fan, if you're into jewelry, if you're into piercings, if you know anyone who would be interested in seeing these a little closer, please share with them. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can set your notifications on for all. That way you'll be notified whenever my videos go out, and I make new videos every single week. I cover everything from fashion to beauty, home decor, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.